everybody. Happy Saturday. I'm Caroline Gow in the Baird and Warner Glenbrook office. And join me today as we walk through this new listing at 4010 Radcliffe Drive in Northbrook. We're in District 27 of Huntington. And I'm going to turn it around so that you can see. We're just going to walk through in a detailed way. We'll look in closets and cabinets so that you can get a true sense of the house and be comfortable sitting outside on your deck or in your living room. It's a nice day, so I'm happy to help you. Let's see. All right. Let's do this. Okay, so the details on this is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's got a full, actually it's a finished basement, 2,300 plus square feet. It's all been freshly painted. This is dolphin fin gray. It's got a nice window seat there in the living room. These architectural details. And it checks all the boxes for what today's buyers are looking for. They want move-in ready.
Problems completing your request.
Oh, it's a smart home. So here, I hope the alarm's not going to go off. Here we go. Yeah, we have a lot of smart home features, which I'll highlight as we go through. We have newer windows here. This pretty light fixture in the dining room. It's a good sized dining room. And some of the models have more of a closed off room here. This one is nice and open, so it's great for entertaining. Hi, Joe. Hi, Sammy. Okay, so here we have lovely kitchen, custom cabinets, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, built-in microwave, double sink, disposal, eating kitchen. The fridge is brand new. It's a nice 3-door, the Nice Maker water. Double oven, built in. Star of the kitchen is the Viking range, and there is a vent hood that's hidden there right here. Isn't this pretty? Then we have an updated powder room. Walking into the family room. My favorite part about this room is the remote control starter on the gas fireplace. Just in time for the holidays. You can cozy up by a fire. All of the rooms have recessed lights, ceiling fans, and a light in the ceiling fan. The new patio door going out. We'll go out in a second. This is on a corner lot, but it's completely fenced. It's a very large yard, 90 by 132. So that's bigger than a lot of them in here in Huntington. Let's go outside. So if you want me to slow down or back up, this is a brand new washer and dryer. It's a full size and it's stackable just to save some room. But it is the full size, and there's a new laundry sink, plenty of storage, tile floors. There's a broom closet here, and we're going out to the yard. A place that can stay. So the roof, the siding, the windows were all done in 2007, so all the big ticket items here have been replaced. You don't have to worry about that. It's got a nice bay window. Concrete patio. I'll show you the roof. Vinyl siding. The privacy fence is pretty new. So lots of room to play. I know there are a lot of city buyers coming out to the suburbs, and one of the things they say they want is a big yard. They're tired of sharing an elevator. And they want space. They want a great community. Now here, we're very close to Wood Oaks Junior High, as well as Wood Oaks Green Park with the sledding hill and the lake. So you can actually see Wood Oaks right through there. Just a hop, skip, and a jump over there. Top ranked schools in District 27. The taxes here are $12,137. That's with a homeowner's exemption. Okay, let's go on upstairs. And then I'm going to tell you some of the other upgrades here. There are hardwood floors all the way through, even under the carpets in the bedrooms. The master is just to the right when you walk in. And the new paint, that nice gray, goes all the way through these rooms. Recess light. This built-in, it's actually not attached, so it could go if you don't want it. We can get rid of that. Plenty of closet space. Attached master bath. Another feature that when I'm talking to buyers who are coming from the city especially, things that they're looking for are generous bedroom sizes. You know, back even before COVID, a lot of buyers would say, oh, you know, we don't spend a lot of time in the bedrooms, so we want bigger entertainment space, bigger kitchen, bigger living room. And that is one feature that I've noticed the buyers are asking for right now is large bedrooms. And you can imagine it's because their kids are all spending time in the room. So this house has big bedrooms. This direction is west. So the master and 2 bedrooms face west. These doors are in the process of being painted. All right, so we have 3 bedrooms over here. Hardwood and I'll show you the hardwood. And it is under the carpets. All right, so this bathroom has been renovated. It's got dual sinks. Nice cabinets. Tile floor. Tiles around. Okay. We mentioned earlier this house has smart home tech features. Buyers like the technology of the smart homes, so here's one. This is the Ecobee Nest. It's not a Nest, it's an Ecobee thermostat. And it also has keyless entry here. That's nice for kids, you don't have to have keys lost. The garage is wired for an electric car. It's got a sensor on the light, so it'll turn on. Here we go. So this is a side load garage with a concrete driveway, basketball net. Storage up there can stay. Also on the list of what buyers have been asking for It's really interesting to me. I've been talking to buyers as they come through from on open house days, and I, just talk with them, ask them where they're coming from, how'd you hear about the open house today, and just be nice. And then some of them are willing to talk to me, and I ask, oh, you're from the city. What's bringing you to the suburbs, or why are you looking in Northbrook, for example? Finished basement. Here we are. There's also an office. It says tile floor. And this has high-speed internet is wired for good technology here because the owners have worked from home. The electric panel was replaced. It's a 200 amp. So here we go, lots of closets. So when I'm talking to buyers and asking them what they want, they say, oh, well, we want more room, separate spaces where we have to spread out. We need a home office. So they need sometimes 2 home offices. So one's in the bedroom, one's in another room. They want the kids to have more space in their bedroom. Another thing would be in-law suites. They're asking for an extra room because sometimes guests come and stay for an extended period of time. All right, so in here we have a new furnace. This furnace is zone with 3 different settings. There's a crawl space you can store, and there's room under the stairs. So a nice area for storage as well as for play. Let's take a look outside. So we're facing west here. And nice curb appeal. All the big ticket items have been done. This is 4010 Radcliffe Drive in Northbrook, District 27. So the schools here are Hickory Point Elementary, Shaboney Elementary over on Finkston. Wood Oaks Junior High is 6 through 8, just across the way here in Wood Oaks Park. Let's go look at the garage. So if you'd like to come and see this in person, contact me. My cell phone's 847-477-4825. My email is caroline.gout@bairdwarner.com. Be happy to show it to you. Here's a look at the neighborhood. Huntington is a very popular neighborhood. We do block parties and Flamingo Fridays and other social events. We have a couple people in the neighborhood that like to organize events. So there we have it. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, basement. Come on in. Love to show it to you. So enjoy this beautiful day. Have a nice weekend. Bye for now.